All right, check this out. Let's say I want to schedule an appointment for this customer right here. And usually, obviously, we come in here and do it. But what if I don't know, like, if I'm busy that day or not, and you want to see the whole full schedule? Just click on View Full Calendar right here, and it's gonna open it in a different screen, which is kind of cool if you have multiple screen. But if you don't have multiple screen, it's gonna open right here on top of everything. What you can do is just go whatever you want. Let's say I want to do it on Friday for 11th. I have nothing going on here. He needs a water pump. Just click on that. And look what happened. It fills the information automatically. Just select the card just in case you want it for a different card. I left that for you. Click on the card and just say, let's say water pump. And then click add. You can confirm it or finish. You're done. As of right now, it does not close automatically. I'll look into that if I want to close it automatically or not. But just close it and you're back right here. You did not leave anything. So that's right. I'm back. Thanks for watching.